No, don't go for it. Be an ocean now, who are flow. You know what he'll go here. Yeah, that's
Yesu Yesu, yena yena, manyo manyo, adibankoto. Awo, abai, omekuto. Awo, Yesu Yesu, yena yena, manyo manyo, adibankoto. Awo, abai, omekuto. Awo, Yesu Yesu, yena yena, manyo manyo, adibankoto.
Olùpá awo nuwe.
Awo, abai, omekuto. Awo, Yesu Yesu, yena yena, manyo manyo, adibankoto. Awo, abai, omekuto.
Olùpá awo nuwe. Olùpá awo nuwe.
Yesu Yesu, yena yena, manyo manyo, adibankoto. Awo, abai, omekuto.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí awo nuwe.
Awo, Yesu Yesu, yena yena, manyo manyo, adibankoto. Awo, abai, omekuto.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí awo nuwe.
Awo, Yesu Yesu, yena yena, manyo manyo, adibankoto. Awo, abai, omekuto. Awo, Yesu Yesu, yena yena, manyo manyo, adibankoto. Awo, abai, omekuto. Awo, Yesu Yesu, yena yena, manyo manyo, adibankoto. Awo, abai, omekuto.
Agbájẹ. Ìnáwó ajá ni wọ́n kọjá wọ́n jẹ̀bọ̀ jẹ́ èèyàn. Náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn.
Yo betrebolo ni kwa Jamestown TV na womba nyefenye de umanye ni lebi na kenje ga machine ya mi ene je noko wa yo age noko alo noko ehi no na chimwe wo fen wo yo dase beke ni chwa ke keji game afi ya she ni jomo wo be kusumi na afi o keji o shine ni egbeji shiba ni ene wo fen wole keji ya ba shin be dantu ji me ni ji on shin ameji me ni ji on shi wo video no ko alon fonu no ko ji be dantu we alo dantu me dantu bi ji me ni ameba bashi clean ni shiba se ke no conclude channel shi ne won sha shiba fen ke hanye ke dantu ka gbebe na ide niji dabi gwa niji na agbe no o ba sha fen ke chon tu bolo ke kwalo fen ko wo James Town TV no mene dantu me alo dantu we bi ameji meni amebani ambaba shembe shiba ya blo fo mo ba yo ake be abana ba prepare the sacred place na ke dun ma ke ha be ma dumo ni ji band of noise and drum making abani aba kwe chiffon no ake abasa chiffon da no ba dun keji wo ba dunie wo fen wo le ake sana sa chiffon no dan clean dani anyo adun ni wo mene be dantu me ba kwe ame ko emi na me dun ni na me ko ake teje me shika mo yo ten keje me shika mo yo be ball ake dade ke ni be chacha chiffon ke asaje me ke ha ma dumo wo ochine mi fen be ma dumo be shiba ji no wo ba na James Town TV no ke ochikunku ni baba be wo ke madumo esan echame wo ni fe mo di no na ko na ke na te ma mi ona ke anake tei ke ni bi jole je wa lo fe ke je ko energy no ku hu to mo be ni me sure gbe na wa ke ndege da bi it is a normal spiritual and physical work na atun be ka chu physical aspect ke be spiritual aspect fe your college ma we de eleji money e banje me fe afa you ke ha be madumo wo mene wo ye be dantu ame macha ake ko emi lo ame na me dun oni ye ko na me kwe alo ame saje me shipon ke ha be madumo James Town TV ko no wo ke wo ba wo ha ga me bona fe ni ga me anyeni ana me kusumi bebe sane ene me akete wo te me kwa te wo wona hegbe ni wo kwekwe ya lo wona na chimene boni wo hie digital world wo be social media ka gbene wo he wale bibi ko meni wo nye wo sha bona fe ni me ni yo shon ke papa amena boni ni fe mo lo kusumi ya no ha ni ke bo yo ne me nkwemi ye manse mi na lakwe mina lakwe lati eke tell mo ameni amela okay ke singing guys stop that challenge nyenu we mo na wacho eke le no eke this all they know awo nupa awo no ofa ne won pa fai ke yo le be na achon la wa nyon ba no wacho fi ofa ne won pa fai because we mo no yo ye too deep aje mo le bi man pa na kai naturally won pa fai kusumi ke yo le no ko na le bayen wa wacho ke aya hin Solomon Tete ke Echwede ke Sugunomi staff ke watching from Tokyo. Sheila Blanks ke hello niabe. Hello nyenu Sheila to your ten yeso ake oyo jogba yeso ake oyo jogba no be Shibaa ji no ni na your screen eyin kale fana mi sha no ko nyene no osha kenge ke you
project dates will be why you know the issue I trying again in trying again in date for DANTU WE
Sheila Blanc, hello Niabe, Solomon Tete Jr., thank you, Ayemi. Shuki know me staff, Pusumbo, the no me hanye o manye hey. Daniel Ajay income watching from Wager, no ko na ke men kwe manse ni be eneni kasemo no no le jake keji o shani kenje gbehi ni o shebi epe be eni ayasa lo mokobayu yake be kowe mi na ayasa na kanje me asha ke chome ejake is a sacred place into ake eko kronkron ni sa ni asha no ko yejeme ke chome no ke okwewo no ne wo no ka idea ejake. We don't want to enter into the sacred place to take videos. There is a belief in that when you go there sanji kuku me won yese no ele ke won sanji inka obeni clean ni masha masha ene yo se time ni ntia sha ko emi fe ke choni nje manche ni ji money ewe lo ekomi na aba sa etwana ja dabi na ji jemu emi fine. So I had to pull it out because they believe that it's a secret nokuni esa ni me na ewo ko emi no na ni asa be je nokuni asha ke chon me ni me ale. It's a sacred place. No keji ale no na no ka bi emi wo sha ke chon onye. But you should get to know actually this is the reason behind it. Asha, that is the main reason behind it. There is nobody who crash. Believe me or sell onye wole. Daniel Ajay Inkum onake ke kwemi from Wager. Okay, Ismail Kwe. Lenwe wave me. Onake lenwe eye mi ke hami ye man se. Ke okwewo be DANTU WE shibaa. You know ni onaye o screen here ni femo. Fe onake mo fe amontawa lo game fe nto afi bona fe ni ekashi ojogba wasolomoji ake be energy clean wasolomoji aka the end of wakusun ni ofi ofe be jomo afi game fe ano ona no ya fa fe gama fa ano ene me wakana lake ndoku kekeshi ndoku ni cheme shike meshi yawo ni se ni won yin se no day out there we have to follow this very right, and that is what makes us as Gan. It makes we as Gan. When you go na ye ni na ejake wokusu na ejake e ba fe me ake man bi e pile bi ni ake fi wo ni bi ko menesa na fi on that day you see them doing it wana ke na nyege ke me e ba huhu ma hi moko hie mboto moko hie chene na ke wo chene nyenye ne hye ko moko poni na na wo den che echi banku ne ba moshini ba ko ita banku emi banku agboni na ke ho e dem me I think before a week to the program it's of sani tone kwa nye mam ne han mo fi amanale ake on that very during that morning there is ana ho no go is ana fi no go ye ko bona fi ni ka kusu na ata ke ka fi si fi mi an to ake me leji o me gbo to eji o no matter what it is still you get the fortress me no ba na ka me yen gbeje gba ni am fi am ne nche mo ko ba ni ajuele na achile ken ya se le nche na ke le e wale che ona ke me ne e wale che ji onle e pe ne no ko le bi ma mo ko te tabanku mi ni le ko ko genu mo ni bo ewo le sun e na fi e fe ona kusumi ne bekin bi na fo me ni le isani mo fi am ale ine me no yin ba fa afi ni ne hunhun kan wa ke wo si ogbe ke wona na to like mba e ja ke wona na to like sene na wa tale yen na yen ni bi ye do tue fa mo ko ba ke we are in a digital world the world be ni bi e chake dabi this is our kusum and we need to make sure that we make it stand. Everybody need to obey it, especially many of man say they had to obey this very kusum, they had to obey this right because ene jino ni liyo wake game ene me no hani aliyo wake game shimba ke onani aduma ne ke me trifa ona ke han wona he wale wode nche wo shipono. Nobody should make noise but no put in so na ke make noise Nicholas Gaston, okay, what's going on, my brother? Okay, so you were not able to watch the initial video when we started. This is the rite that has been done by we the Ghana people. I know you are Ghana, yes. The rite which is done by we the Ghana people, and it is right that follows up to our HƆMỌWỌ festival. That is the Shibaa. That's the first rite that we actually do. That is the Shibaa, and this is where all the various houses within the Ghana community, they go into a special sacred farm where they clean the farm for planting to be done. We plant our millet, but before the planting, we have to make sure we clean or we make the forest so nice to the extent that when we plant, it can actually grow. So as what you are watching now is the ongoing Shibaa for the DANTU WE. That is the first house that does this very right. We have different houses that does it as well, but then this is the first house that does it, and then the other houses follows. So what you are watching right now is we can actually enter into the farm, if I should put it that way, because it is not right, it is prohibited. You are not supposed to do that. You are not supposed to enter into the farm. It is a sacred place, which is a secret place for only those that are being called to work on that land are those that only go there. Like the fetish, some of the leaders in that house, that way house, they are those that are allowed to enter into that house to just make the place so nice for plants or our millet to be grown. So by next week we'll come to this same place to grow our millet. But then note, we have several houses that also has to go to we also have several houses, about 6 houses that are left more, that they will be going to they are also farms. It means that all the houses have their farms, that they have to go there and prepare the place for the millet to be grown. Yes, so that is what you are seeing. That is what you are seeing on your screen now. DANTU WE SHIBAA. DANTU WE SHIBAA. We are trying our best to see if we can have some few interviews with some of the big men, some of the elders in that very house. That is the way house. So we are trying to have some few people so we can have some few interviews with them for them to tell us more about or the idea or what people need to know about this very rite which is done by we the Ghana. I said this is what makes it special. When these rites are being or is missing or are being lifted away or God vanishes, it means that as we call it, we will have issue on our land. There are issues that definitely, if you don't take it, you get it. If you don't take it, that is how it is. So as I told you, we'll get straight to some of the people, our people, to see if we can. I think there is an interview going on there. Let me see if I can get closer and then pick a shot of the words that I've been saying. At least some of these things will also empower you, and also you will also learn out of it. So I think I will have to join them with the interview so that we pick some few words from Wacheme ni una. Yes, Wacheme ni una. So we are going straight to them and we'll pick some of their words as well. Yeah.
Like a black bar, no watali black, no watali colors unless white. Nika you kwe whatever no what you want or for France video. You go kwe lumoe ke kusu feel our white to you by then check then you change you wanna get a kuji matali.
I think I will play. I also have yellow.
Nyanya jinonika wache wenegenya nyanya wale aje ichuoni babao drivers yuso me babao yuso
Yeah
Agora na muito modo.
nyanya mucho modo
Agade won. Jamu de ko de nyanya ngo.
That one do nyanya.
Won do. Nyanya do mo ni yo mi ke o kan more than how. onyanye tuni bipi ekuku
okay obenoa wo game dabi nyanya kan wo ko ake keji no phone ko aba obenoa nyanya ni ji ebe pi wona ke me unpe no ametuji ami ame moto sana ke choji ami ke ni bi me ko poto posa am ke ju ami ila ke atuba alo
oje kemuji oje muji ni anunya bobe o can protect who you like o no mo fian to mo bani ti to yen ko adenya ni ko ni bipi o ba nyon o ba nyon ke fi no fian
gafa ono ni we afie na no pa duro here ba ka ke ba wi esu edun agashi ni ke duo no ni to na efi ne ba wi etu
ya ga wi
dani ba duro here ko ke duo here ba na no fe no afi hu e o manye ya ba chiko wi etu mo ote o ka we mo ke ile akoso bo tweme ke o ka so le am etu ni na kai o da no ati na na de che ojú èṣù èdò dà dání ìwànyẹ tún ní nìkẹfàtà sẹ nọpẹlọ wẹmú hẹ kẹkẹlẹ nùtúmọ náà tún ọdí ṣíbà dání àbáfẹ dání afẹ ẹjọ ìṣe yẹn ṣíbà àdínà níyàn yẹn ẹ ṣíbà àbàkù ẹ bẹẹ kùsùn ẹfẹ mọ fẹ anyáfẹ
Nishipi no o baje nko e ma bibu ne ke sanene mkedi wo ko won wa ye dumu agbo na ni ame cheme ye mamum ejira ke aye be me special odi ya jeme alo lumofel mo ba ya je
bono bi na kan ni ken no kune dan obote mamum mi wa sabo ya chi ni de mo femu ni ko bote mi aya ni bi ko me femu ko bote mi be ofu eje meda ka si boni kusun se ba fu e ko ji o cheyo ko bote ma mo mi o che ju o me ni ame fi ame ya ke ame ka me bote mi amanya me ya me ni no ame ji me ni ame femu ame bote o mi o ngo yo ko bote mi
Chenu
finuko kashi bedi agbe kusu na no ba na me pi to me pi duma gwe na akai mi ko botem fe no o fuda
chikeke ibala ke chi o ya botemi ni to mo no yu ake o che yo ne kule ni me no botemi wo ekule no a che yo ni ogbotu no so botemi eku ani no ko poten ba anye fibu na ba na ke chi be
ya ke chi ke botemi ni we ko che you ni bi si san so ko me
you
yeah, that's what I want to know
o ko butu ye ona no bayi si san so ba na bo
sika go kusun na no le be kan
okay
so ko mo yo fun ba to na ko na go ke ko buti na mo mi no ko na ga mi ya la ni anu wala ke no buti ma ngon pe ben gen ni bi ni fi SF isa ni tuno ya ke isa no choyi isa no fioli tuno si wona ke wonu fe ko ni aminyam fioli ke madan do no mi da bi na ka mo ile edu mo ya la lo ba yan ya se ye ko sun ko do ba no ba fi ni me tun ni ye ma mo mi amena agboyun ni ena agboyun lo le da na eche se ke se ne ke bi e to mo ti eyan se ke yo besan ka ta ni ba tu ikusun se ko Raga to wole lu one. To wole do mo shine atese pe ro. Ka gbo ye nche machine ko. Awa ya pe manye tuse ko. Ka fe ya la manye tuse ya ashia. Uwe mo ko do lu abi aga mi do ni fi o ya la fe ya je di bo ni shi o ya je shi ele reason ni ga ya je me. Ya ga shi ke she ni fun be e o te le gbo wo ya ase. Onye wo kwa ni fun.
Naka me ametumo wolo me no anu wolo me ji ame
be once no ye je ma wo o tu je ma wo ye je wo chichi o ko egbonu
wow
so fu e ja je fu na ka je na hu e
ona ke
ko ni fe mo ni
ona ke gbene shibi wota gbene shibi wota ka o ke wo ya wo blame system mi esa robo ko hin o to de ko
Esa ro mu hin otun ni drive la ka kan so besan. Ona ro mu ko menwu enyi ye wo blema bia mi ro mu ko menyi ke enyi sale ka mu ko nyi. Ya ke mu ko enyi le enyi lu go dale e ko wa yon mole. Otola. Ona shingbe ne le gan wa yon wi ya wo she. Ona wa yon wi ya wo she. She saro mu kan hwe your business da. Ya ko ku otwe le je yo nji bodo aso yu be felo ole polipo o to fe te ro wo o so no ba call this when to use am. Ona she dem ashe
She totomo ne anya jaji egbe ko no.
Anya jaji ka wa jaji e ba je ni e lo na step by step. Onupa na yo fe ato na step by step. Ona wonu tun wo ka wo je kululu e wo te ele no fe no ba nye ato. Kululu e junu gba wona. Ona kululu agbede be pie hu wo musu ehu wo kan gbama na ya ma wo musu wo kan fe ni bi ni. Ona to mbo da do mo shine nte hu. Ege me bote hole ona eku ede aye bot 20 ewu do no ni sani ma yu e na mo ba ona no ni sani e fi chale bla jangu e nege wo sister do ni na ala me fi lo no ni nge fi sani wo ko ni wo che wo wi e ke de ma fite ndo de se mo ma ba because e ba me no go ga won kotoko e ga nu down no ni sani ya yu ni ba nye fe bo fe mo e because ko nse e wo yu e no ni fit your ma no mene. Ona ko si pe wo ka anu kwale ya ko si wo ka kama go wi to mo ma to ogbobode ka anu kwale ya ka o mi lante dan do se ko lo ngai male ko si wo ka ko si tuni ko ko tuni no do na ni ya no fe go ya
Jofa na gbe sane ba ni won ba me na ke me ko me akuchie me no ni nutumo na atwo ne nli aka blofo ba aka me be idea me I don't know because e she ko na ga mokunchi bankopo ye gbedegba na sana stop le and going forward there about to adafike ha man bi keji abafe kusu ne ke ko na me nu hia ke during this week na afi ne ke kusu
yeah
water adapi le water ata so na get
traditional
counselor
ata adafi edin
okay
aka 29 free ne ke na te jawe asne bi ne ame bashi ame faith ame gbele kusuen alo ame te kusuen shi ka ke cha no no mo fun ya we na ame le aka se esani e fi ona kan ku egbe no
ya jema
ba atun ona jema ba atun siwo to bi no te me to egbom elenu e fe ni ko awie enye alo ke se bien e to sa de konko na kan e fe to bi no yo mi ba ka masu ba ga sukuen ka tada fi po traditional cancer asa ke bien benke asa tada fi ku ye na tun mo fin nde ma check
le wo ko
ni
gbe mi wo ko
ba gbe na eta
ona ga no wo yu of man ma she fe wo ma fe secret pillar ni di gamanche ona man ma she fe secret pillar ni di gamanche gan fe manche do de ke ma ja agbeja e to fe no ni ya lo ga fe ke ate no ko te no ko to le ni gamanche fe squad aga no le te do ne bi e squad ni ba nga mo fe no di ete ko wo ko ka fe no ko e do fe no ko ni de shi wo ye no shi to mo be loju wo na agba
we no shit mo be sani e chi wa
wona gba ko mi gba na di ye ni wo asinu ya me na ni abekweta fa che wonye me asawo ye tutu ye ameko oduba amengongo kusun wo manye me asafa nye me ye tutu ye ya amepa trot
yo wo che yo mo na gbe ngo vini sanene ya unto esajipi mi na ekome studio that live is earth spiritual world no anu kwale no go feel I tell you dani Egomo studio no ask them what are the purpose of Asafa Cheme. Oh, anye ni ne bolo mo. Only Asafa Cheme anu chumo mo aga Asafa Cheme, they are the warrior leaders. They are the war front leaders. No. Alo to bi sanjinye sanye. Ekule no to be Sunday, we don't have any problem. I think let's get close to this man. Okay. Now we be more.
Many of my I'm about the number wow. Your man. Now me ashajo. Agbe man chame. Ekule fe mu can no ya. You know what tower. Many can be demanted, many can be demanted, many can be demanted. What down quality for me pay aje. On one am no demanted. You know what pa. Pa me be. Aka afi no ba ye ne. Afi la fe ble wa o. Ti ajo awo. Ni si ajo awo. Won pa gba akeshi no ba o ke me ba wo so me. No ajagun ne. E ba hwe wo ni bi ano. Won afi won na mi eni. Won na ni eni. Ni bi ko afi wa ne kwa me ye. Idunu opa agbe mo ba ne won pa kokoko bi igbe won pa manse bi agbe won pa sort afen igbe won pa ko be fe mo gbe osun ni o ke maso aji affiliate no ke maso agbe se ko ko
sete ka wo ko ni nye fa ke nyemba ni ye ba dwapo wona ke we chaki atatu ni efetimo nubane ali mini ukali kote lekeni ne etu ake dantu bi ke shenike to mo boni obi one naka ke shenike bi ame je fi ofun ha o eja ke o ba dun ni san ko ba dun ni ja fe fun ke je fe fun e ha ni no ba dun e fi ofun but ne woni ona boni weda fe je mbode fe shi oblo tu ne na kan ji boni mo fi amuta wa ke ena je nike o ka hunu to tu ni no anfan le bi mlan ono ba tu ne boni ye shi oblo na kan wota wo ka je blema fe na kan wota wo o ka hunu e fe na ko duku onu o pa agbaji wo hunu ele o ka swani o ka yo afi ne ke bia mi won so ni nu ne ni shi ajo ni mla ko tanu o ke ma wo so ne pe complain mu ye wa ni wo ni ejamu enenu awo bo na fe ni bi no ke wo so fe fe aba ni bi ko hoy ke wo ku wa mbo fe mo fa ma na kwa me shi ajo ba ji no
Yo, so the word is DANTU. Okomo famous studio get that's for chair must stop those who are disobeying our tradition, especially the ban on noise making. Okay, that's very, very true. That's their word. I think in host time last week in studio they made that clear actually. This time around they are going to make sure they allow people to obey the rules and the regulations. They make it clear that they will allow the youth, everybody to obey the rules and the regulations concerning the ban of noise and then drum making. Yes, so for this year, they are giving us that promise that they are going to work hard. I'm about to know this and I'm going to get what. I love the fact that Kasafuache, Ashi, and then Numo clan. Yes, they were there. And they make it clear to us, well, we hold them accountable for anybody that would disobey the laws of the country as far as this ban of noise making and drumming is concerned. No problem there. Tony Brace, are they doing Aduma? This is not Aduma, but this is just the process to Aduma. Okay, the process to Aduma. Well, it's still the same thing. I'm in Fano. Ocho disciplines and honor. Ocho disciplines and honor. Amario says the significance of the tradition should impact on the reality of life. The planting of the millet means there should be abundant harvest, but where are the farming lands in general? You don't even know how to, again, where are the lands, In general. Amaro says we do not have farming land, so where will the harvest come from for the celebration of the HޮＭޮWɔ festival? Okay, so this question I'll try as much as possible to ask. If not today, I'll try and get you a response. Yes. I'll get you the response. If not today, yeah. And Marissa will ask the elders for me. I'll do that. Don't worry. Before the closure of today or tomorrow, I'll get you a response. Yes, I'll get you a response. Mabo response. Yeah. Myself, it's a question I wanted to ask. So it's good you've also asked such question at least. So I'll do that. Don't worry. Okay, so Kingsley, I've done the editing. Okay, I made a mistake with it's a typo error. Tony Brace is just okay. I think. Will Mill says the originals have begun the main tradition for Gadangbes. Let me see. Okay. The original have begun the tradition for Gadangbe. The only Gatan we look up to when it comes to the tradition of Gadangbe. Okay. Una ni bese fi press. Ni bese fi go press. Ni bese fi go press. If you go press, e ke ko mo ko. Lo mi e ke na ke ba ko. Actually, Soldiers, hey. Using the stand for building. Okay. The general says the churches that sees themselves high and mighty should be mindful of the custom of Ghana. And this time around, so per what the Asafuacha and the Wulomo that came to my studio told us, it means that this time around, they are not going to play with anybody. They are going all out this time around, because every year we've seen these things happening. At the end of the day, that disrespect when it comes to their consumer, it's too much. So this time around, I'm a kind of the banana. Yes. Tony Bray says, where are these people standing? Why are these people? Okay, who are those people? These people standing. I don't get it. which people are you talking of HỌMỌWỌ? Okay, Tony no Kiasafache in Kandura, Jalabia. Tony Brace is go to Sawan Ajem. They are scrapping the surface of the land for building. Hillary Okan says, may we see more progress in the land. God bless us all. I wonder when it happened this way, Kobakwe money when edi ni keji ni mo na eba shu ye je mko bakwe bo ene chonga ke kusumi nchuni njoba idage mwefe edi nke wo ko la kap ko mwefe ninge wo yo mwefe edi ni ke mo na eba shu. This one is a signal, or it's a signal that shows like a special right is actually ongoing. Special right. For your Bonu TV, Jamestown TV, Nom GH, almost 3 I look for. Well, no, feel fair your life. Okay. Are they Wulome? Not all of them. They are not Wulome. Not all of them. Not all of them. Yes, not all of them. Some are Wulome, some are not. Some are traditional real leaders. And what they are saying, which mole are not Niken, you don't care, more alone, where deeper, but I know now, but no go back. Nigga, you are there. Where did Nigga, you are where did no, Nake, fake Kusun, Gamen, 2 Amekusun, where did which means that it is really true. Kusumayano, any to get down to year wale, down to year wale, any to get down to year wale, down to having where age, where it is more and more accuracy. There's a power somewhere, that's what you should know. Tony Emmanuel Bright says our powerful tradition goes on. Okay, Hillary Okan says, yeah, true signal. Yes, true signal. I think last year we witnessed the same thing. Me Abba from no more name Jubawa to the scene. I even spot a camera of mine even got spoiled. Yes, I spot my camera during my that was last year because I was thinking I could take some shots anymore. You get fitting camera on the machine. That should tell you again there's a power somewhere. These rights that we normally play with, Charlie, come on, we don't have to look down on. Nisu says thanks for the live coverage. I believe the voice of is by my brother Nia Itokan, aka Mr. T. So and it's still going, it's still ongoing. The tradition of the Ghana people has commenced when it is time for only you of few mean like many of Shoni, they don't really understand the Ghana language itself. I want you to go more for us so that they can understand the kusum of the Ghana people, the rights or the customs of the Ghana people. Yes. So this is what we call the Shimba. Shimba. It's that we can okay, no, as it stands now, DANTU it's not to book. Anyone you be energy, Gamma, be Asere. Famous. It's the richest tradition on earth. I tell you, Keke Tony braces. Okay, Shibaa. That is it. Okay, Jew lives matter. It's a beautiful tradition on display. Okay, so that is it. That is it. Yeah. Let's see. Boss, get to behind here, we move it. That's actually behind here. Yes, this one, Hilary Okan, you are making a submission which I think is very, very important. He says these should enter our textbooks. Kids must learn and understand. It's very true. Because it seems like they are out of kids. When it comes to some of these traditions. So it's very true. Anita, they says it seems like everywhere is dirty in the community. Abba. Anita, when you left, it was like this. Anita, it seems like everywhere is dirty in the community. Okay, so hello, it is more dirty than during those years when you were here. Ekobe Famous says Shida Nyemi for the coverage. This is a spiritual calling. I tell you, Charlie, give them more. I will keep doing it until it's another who is going to show it if TV can do it, but it's limited to some people. But when it comes to social media, who normally says it? Nobody. People don't really say it. So the little power we have, this is what we can do. Anita says it's getting worse than the first, which means that we are never moving to okay, how to able to many people get to know Shibaa. It is a customary right ni Gamefio Keji Eashe HỌMỌWỌ, our festival that we celebrate, which is known as HỌMỌWỌ. This is the first rite which has been done, and it has been done by one of the houses within the Ghana communities, that is namely the DANTU. So DANTU is what you actually DANTU we, the farm, that is the DANTU clan is what you are watching right now. That is their Shibaa custom, which is done before some other rites are being followed. So that is what you are watching now. Okay. So for the sake of those that don't know, this is a a special custom rite for the Ghana people, which is done before we celebrate our HỌMỌWỌ, and it is named the Shimba, which literally means, in a nutshell, we can see cleansing of a sacred farm for a millet to be grown. Yes, cleansing of a sacred farm for a millet to be grown, so that at least, during this session, we can have that blessing that we are looking for. Rosemary, don't okay, good morning. Okay, Abigail Kwaku says, Anita, you can also help make it nice. Stop what you are saying. Abigail Kwaku says, it is not necessary. Okay, Ekome Famous Studio says, what about Shao Muko? Oh, we're alive, boss. We're alive. It's a long time. It's a long time. Can you place an apple again? No. There are issues. Mills, we'll go come back. Tony Blaze, so he says, what are they saying? I hope you heard it clearly what they are saying. Okay, so they are what they are saying is that there is one of the shrine that they were stopping people from taking pictures or videos there. I think they might have their personal reason, but during this session we have that DANTU that passes through that lane to offer special rite or special sacrifice to that very shrine, but they are stopping people from taking pictures, video there, and maybe they have their personal reason. So I think we'll get into that one to get the reason why they are also behaving that way. Ignore them. Okay, so this is the Shiba. Tony Blaze, so they might have their personal reason. That's what I'm saying. Like after, because we are just close to where they are, so I'll go and ask them some few questions, reasons why they were stopping people from taking pictures at that end. Yeah. And if they should be careful because these are things that causes earlier death to some of the youth in the community. You know what? Call you in China. Would they even listen? They won't. They will never listen. So we pick it that way. All the same, we should concentrate on what is happening now. That is the DANTU WE SHIBAA. What concentrate on? Come on. Tell me you know. Okay,
I have no idea.
So this is their final. This is the Lantijan we know. So for the sake of those that don't know, Lantijan we know. So that is it. This is the Lantijan. That is their final stop. They started from this place and they are ending from this place. So that is their final stop. Lantijan we know. No machine. Chibibio boy. I'm a guy. I'm a Chibibio. She's your mother. So that is the Lantijan. Yes, Lantijan. Before you enter, you need to take off your sandals or whatever you are wearing. It is prohibited. You are not supposed to send anything of that sort. So here, another right will be taken, another right, and then after, yes, another right will be held in or going on here, and right away from there. Going for the allocation number. Okay, Tony Blaze says, are we going to have another set of people to do the Shiba? That is tomorrow. Tomorrow will be that of okay. So that one will continue another Shiba. When there's another right in Nakudan, another right now. In like all this were like a days of so let's pick that one too and see what it is, the reason behind it. Okay, and it's at the they are going round. They are going around. No, you can I need to get I market me in the chair. I don't really know.
I don't know what I can never stand with.
Okay. No, I think let's follow them. Walk where we need. Market women. I look at my appeal for food. I appeal for food. Koni amekewa kusumi no junior. Manye numo. No, I appeal for food or appeal for fun. Ni akefe kusumi eko. It is believed. That is the belief. You can make a market scour me. Come on, you can hear me. She can't wait. Okay, scour woman. No fair no cow. Okay, I think yes, they are going to the market to ask staffs. Okay, to ask staffs. Okay, so they are going to ask the staff. Yeah. So this one is also part of the right. Yes, it's also part of the right. No fata, right there. God, I'm seeing you. Is he following you keenly? That's right. Fever is dry. Let me get gun. You get a number? Yeah. So I will take you with the text. Tony Blair, I see you, so you can follow. I'll give you everything that you need to know, everything that you have to see, everything that you have to hear. And so keep following, don't worry. Nothing will go off. Since I have Anita, you don't have any problem. If I were a credit care woman, I don't have any problem with that. So I'm giving you life, whatever you have to know, I'm giving a life for you. Yes. Bossu. Yes, so keep following. Yes. Keep following. By the way, let me also use this opportunity to, thank Anita. The other day, she did a tremendous work by sending some little cash for the work. These are things that sometimes she doesn't want me to say, but I have to say it for you to empower you to as well, so that you can also send credit for us to do the work. But with TV, I see you. TV in my camera. Let me. Yeah, high camera, lolo. But we be a while. No, you're young one. Ban kwa mi kan kwa moko ne bomo de ni rent camera ke tuni na pe le gba obi amewale o blanu ni le te fian ke len we time we awo se ba tanu ke wa na gba we nutumo gba obi wale e ke wale gba obi nye wale gba we manche ko nu gba fe nye wale ni wale gba o TV ko nu gba le fe manoko ebe ni mi wi okay Tony Bray get Tony get it's true. We don't hide secrets. When I get a money, me a money, So we all have to speak out, voice out. They need to support our brother. Bawe TV is doing a good work. Yes, sir. Ibomode. Me worship future one. Future we can go feel our. Future we can go feel our mother. Future momode na can go feel our. Future e woman. Azabaje. Azabaje. Uno. Yonaka ya salu. No mo fun mo ko banye ha shike ko. Keju ho ni ofio hairdressing, ofio makeup, ho tolo, ho banku. No fe no ho. You can also support allo ba give up. There's a belief. I think there's a belief behind this because on a normal day, giving is full of blessing. No ne afi kusumi hu ani o han ebe jomo ese. So my little nene, my little layman's jomo ninke you, I believe there's a blessing in this. Yes, because if you give rather, you have that blessing. Yes. Okay. Tony B says this is why the other tribes have dominated the media space. Anyemi, kwe ojo to mo current legal. I tell you, we are in a modernized and a digital world where things have changed. Because complain of why. Complain of why. Please, why do we hide truth? You got calling you. You got timing you and calling. Well, I get me in the most 24/7 boss. Nashika says the grounds are clean and it is left with the arrangement of items, roofs, and painting. Me, Tete is doing a great job. Yes. Okay, Tamawamo and Kwale. That's just Nashika, we expect more. I don't know about which. Me not get back over Fita Wahi. Because I was expecting that initially. I don't know any man. Don't care. I think if not money, you can also put in food. Yeah, so it's either money or food, whatever you have. You can either put in food. Allo shikako nyeshikobano ke wo mikona mekumeke tatolete mekumeke vegetables mekumeke shito amoke libike wo. Ebiemo ko ncho ake keji wo be na. Ebiemo ko ncho ake after na ba gbe na fin bosu after na ba gbe na fin ake aba jaju aba fon ha. So I'm sure many banana no kuebo no. On the mean on the layman's idea, layman's mind put in there. There's a blessing in giving. So we take it from that side. Okay, let's forget about any other thing. Let's believe and behave like a layman. It means there's a full blessing. And Tony Blaze says yes, Accra is clean, just that it's organized. It's very true. He says, yes, the personal properties are too populated on the pathways. Personal properties, we can't talk about TV says, Queen Anita, thanks for your support to my brother Nia. God bless you. Bless you. Ginger. Inna go gain melo ni ga ni ga no bu awo mi ni ke ro bu awo mi wonye no shida Tony Blay una game
DANTU we shiba.
Nous que ello e hollo una che leun e che ello e wumi e che leun because leun we call blessing fresh fish and red fish ne fresh one say ko ello ke wumi leun no ni e che ba ha you know ni leun e che ona am go mango e bie leun na che isi dai che mango a wumi allo shika if it is food okay yes so okay, beautiful culture. Bless you, or Nick Kwanchi bless you. Yes, this man Nick Kwanchi has been supportive to Jamestown TV since day one. For him, again, no matter because 24/7 is always with me. 24/7 is always with me. Yeah. 24/7 is always supporting Jamestown TV. These are people that, when we are mentioning names, we can mention the market. Which they have supported, we've been able to sustain to a particular level. Yes, I'm a support each and every day. We keep on going. We pray against volunteer. We don't hide the truth. When someone supports, we make it clean and clear. And this man is one person that has been doing the work. Tony Bray says, the market you may not agree. I tell you. But you need those that believe in the rituals or the rite. They are those that you see them coming forward to even give. There are people that they rather come forward to give. Even though we've not asked them, they rather come forward to even give. There are people like that. That cash, they just take it out and they give it out. And there are some that they don't really understand the essence of giving or the benefit that giving brings. But then throughout they support movement. I think they're really down with market women. I remember modern. I many actually back but they've really done their best. They've given out, they've actually supported this work, and God richly bless them. Great tradition to know. Thank you for being there for us. Bless you, Fred. Hey, my boss. Fredo. Me, Akweja, it says. Keje blame kusungbo da kusunye gboko okay kwa live Jamestown TV be manage the shiba the first rite which follows before the main festival, which is the HOMƆWƆ festival. This is the first rite which is done on the Garland. This is the first rituals that is being done. That is the Shiba rituals, and then we go to the a farm where we normally plant our corn, and then to make the place nice and neat for growing of the crops. So after we have done this, then some people that were being mandated to go, they have been mandated to go out and then kind of appeal for, anything at all from the people, especially market women in the community. They go there and they also give out what they have. So that is what you're actually seeing on your TV. Yes, this is just an appealing or support the trend, and it's a belief. And when we get to the Dantu, we get to know the reason why this foodstuffs and this money have been collected, whether it will be given to certain people or will be spread among for others to have their share, whatever it is. So we get to know all these things when we get to Dantu we. Okay, Bao TV says if they believe in giving, it will be blessing for them. I tell you, that's what we don't really know. Blessing is full of. No, many feel like when you GM. What GM? Maybe GM no more. Tony, Mogwemo. Mogwemo. Tony Brevemo. Ishmael Kujo. You're welcome to Jamestown TV platform. Yes, so welcome. Go be a couple owner. Couple Benny owner. Femo Hale, London market DNA no boni bi esika mo yo bia Nena mole kaya ko me ago no na be salaga market mo ni bien be market women ni ho ni be mo fe mo ko anoku na jo mo ni yes after ni appreciate be wo cheme nyo ke ya market ni ameya bio ni market women ade na ke ni bi ne no ncho ake keji wo gbe na ho o ba na wole no ni poteni ake ni bi ne fio keja ake ki o man bi e bio ake ki o me ko me bio then we'll get to know all those things. This is part of our rites that is normally done during Shiba. I was not able to see this. I didn't see this, but this year, no. Like, maybe I couldn't follow them to this very place, so I didn't witness no go to Moneken. But this time around, I've gotten to know after K Abashita. No to again like I had you on. Hey, that's what finish it. Dantu we fine, dantu we fine. Smell. Ada tu aja. Abu. Dantu we. Okay. Long time. It's an anabo because champion Jibo. Kanabo anabo champion Jibo. It's an anabo. Kanabo champion Jibo. Akufado nyemi Jibo. Let's go. That's the work, you know. To more power. I mean, booster. What I think that what I think that Monica Shale, what I think that that's not finished. Abo. Me ma fe dan tu e ba yi. Ya. Sometimes I just don't get it, man. Tony Bray, I go baro nyamini. Wa chale so ka fu da. I go baro nyamini, me wa cha so. But when I get the education should go deep into the heart of people concerning this video making and all that. Charlie, it even sells you. Just imagine, I'm only my shower they don't really understand their work. Like, if so, they would have allowed us to take certain videos and all that. Recently, they are not contract here. They don't really know. They thought initially they thought I have to the extent I work soon when people know what they wash up. It got to a time they demand money from us before taking videos. They thought again we use their pictures or videos to make money online. But that is not the whole thing. We are also trying to hide them. We will promote a minute more, but they don't really get it. All the same, few about share. When I have no care, I got shabo next year. Shabo, I'm a TV. I wonder, can I wear TV? Every nana go the way when I want to. But it's cool. It's cool. Now TV says hard work, then sound TV. Bless you. Okay, Tony Bray says they don't understand. Yes, I'm a no too much. I'm a no too much. When you think about your now TV says tell them. They don't know. We need to educate them. A white man will not take money from you for taking picture for him or her. He would rather appreciate you because he like a picture, not take care. Instead you are going to promote it, use it for your own work alone. But our people don't understand it that way. But if you feel, they will understand. Near Kotia, he says, I can't wait to see Salaga Market working again with a new building structure. Back in the days, my late mom used to sell there. And Wafen was Solomon, Diake Agbe market. No, now, me have percentage, I get to more 40. To more 40. 50 to more 50%. Because structure much you have to know, you know, maybe few not about side. Me have it more politics, say, oh, men 12, oh, me if you I'm told. Tony Bray says they don't know 80% of your viewers are out of Ghana. I tell you, and mostly they purchase or buy goods online on my television, on my channel, whenever I'm doing programs. So they don't know. Will check and say, will you ensure I get Tony Banye? He will need more $1,000. Will say $1,000. Nagafe will party. So they can't go funny. What do you want to party? Don't do finish it. Don't do finish it. No, we are now heading towards where we are coming from. That is the main way. No, but one year can ya better than 2 weeks. Jenny or ya Biane, Jenny or Biane. The final rights in about Jamaica has been about we've been able to stream for almost 1 hour, something minutes, almost 2 hours. We've been able to stream. So currently we're Gamashi and Jemaji the Kusum, the DANTU we allow DANTU May. Maybe Lanteja will be Kusum me, I will feel okay. Clink me, I can do your Kamashi aloga HƆMỌWỌ no ni abon femo enegbele ogbe ha ma dumo egbele ogbe ke ha ma dumo ke ha ma dumo ke agbene ke ma fa ke meni bi fe ke abashi be no chimo kopo ni fita here anya na fe Tony Bray says the market looks small but a lot of sellers, a lot, I'm telling you. It's one of the biggest markets here, Kamashi and Yeka. That is Stalara market. For now, they are currently located at London market, somewhere at Mudo. That is where they are currently. But they were relocated to that place due to a reconstruction of the market by Neyland Vandapo, who relocated them there with the idea that but for so many years, if I could, my sense could draw me back, I think about 7 or 8 years ago, I'm sure. Maybe even more than 7 years when they were relocated to that place. Yes, for the place to be constructed, but as at now, still nothing. Still nothing has been done about it. Our women are suffering, and some of them are selling on the hot sun. Some of them, when it rains, you see some of their, food start being washed away by water and all that. A whole lot of stuff happening there. One day I'll go and visit there when it rains. When it rains, it becomes flat. It becomes flat. Tony says market cake, I tell you. So these are some of the suffering that is happening to the people within the community, especially these market women who have been relocated to. But some also got the sense very fast. They were like they would not go. So they were able to settle at where they had now. Even that one cries another problem because some of them have been able to, get their personal roof, small tent, and then they are just under it making their businesses. So we are just praying. I can maybe if it stands to it will, as a matter of fact, rise up once again. Like this market, the market one, the which one again? A lot. The market, as for the fishing harbor, we know in due time about officially launch, a lot officially open Keham and Beer, but the market is our problem. That is our main challenge. That's the main challenge. Now we realize too that the Bukum boxing arena too known as Sale. That's the Bukum box. Bukum AstroTurf. No one I reconstruct our prayer is for it to come to pass before even election, because sometimes when we vote and then we go back and going back to complete certain developmental projects, it becomes a problem. So we are praying to work hard this time around. So we are back to the DANTU way for the final rite for the Kusum. Yes, for the Kusum. For the final rite for the Kusum. Yes. Final rite of the Kusum. Charlie, pardon your iPhone 20. What's up, Padima? Good time.
I got to manage I got to manage the manager Gajan. Go up Kusu Beneshi Camoro, Kusu Tombo, Benny Manager. Biana one, will let you one, like I will let you one, Malewo. Nibico many no, because they feel Moko Toshi, Lady Man Panile, and you, they are for Kusunaka, Moko Dani. Mommy, they feel on the beer. You are Kuku Penny Command. You are near Bonnie. You can't feel Bonnie Jana.
Bonnie Yole, Jay Bonnie Jana. You won't go. No, tell me what I share better than two. I'm Babu, Bonnie, Mammy, in Kenya, none need not fear them or back when I can the farm before then, what I should be only non important. Okay, conduct Jake says that I think they intentionally don't want to match. That's why they took small basket. Yeah, that's very true. Then keep going there with a very huge basket. Another problem. Tony Bray, check everybody gets issue for for that one. Yeah, we all know everybody gets issue. Very true. Lante Janwe. Lante Janwe. Lante Janwe. So right, if you really know a Sarah inside Gamashi, when you climb to the top as if you are walking straight toward the high street, on the main high street road, you won't get to the high street road, but on that lane, that Sarah lane, you move right straight to the top, and then the first junction, and this is one junction that you see on your left, you move a little bit, you see the house there, a very small building, a very small building, that is the Lante Janwe, yes. Yes. So that too. And the North Zealand will be yes. According to Lene, no, Tamoko came back when Coco went no. Night we cry on your left. Got to hear few no one to feel. But what's the name for no be advantage and you get to know energy. Or a game story. Maybe not feel again, friend or the friend on your life, them sound to be enough. What she couldn't, she don't have a good now, who take care only. One to see me a fair thing. What you doing to Lante away and down to the same as Lante down to a German or Lante Janwe. Yes, I'm an order Lante Janwe. Down to men or Lante Janwe. No.
Congratulations. You're welcome.
What was he saying? But Africa, go back to the Nina look at Nina look at Mamma Yabana. No, I've been too much. No, Kusungo Kulu, why you no, I cannot say no. If you like, problem there. I cannot say no about
I just soon pay money. You know, wala ke nwa ke dantu ye te komo kusun ne afio chimena ni wo yo ne dantu ke eko e abashi ke machine oyo woke mo ne kasa de ne
so o fe dromo na le akeno e no che ni tumo boni yo mu etela un ne ba lante janwe le bo fi abona wa fi te wono woko wono wo chon hin ni akeji okusuensi lele dromo na nye bebe bi e wona ma mi wa wo maja che ma to eno ake mu mo ba lo eko e ni agbako e o dromo na lele ye chele wo mu mo lo eko e te agbako e kanya fenya ba na o kadi kote no le kaji nyena nyena aka si blokusi silaga himeje kala ya ga na twida meno chi ka shi na shweshi o meno che ba na ga silele ante jawo ko te ojo okusuensi mo kra be ni mo ni yo sencho so ni jete osu amantra o date so yo osu lante jawo
o ba mu na o wala ga lante jawo nye suko ni akekadio ni daga su me wo so no bla me hwe an
yo daga wo su ne o wa na la ga shi o na su e ni ekala lo esu e wa ga blue ile kan bo ni ma chele blue es du mo shike hanu star kanye questa e bele wo star ne shi yele yiche 7 e chonga akuche agbene no chele no jino ni numu ekuo ni ka dromo na be a she ke chon ebe now nya na ga shi te komo e so be ni me feel aga shi no go need to mo formant je formant be ni be anyo ya we ya chon e le ji temo no ko ni ya lanteja we bi ade e wo ka bi a she no go susu aga formant be ni bo formant ke numu ekuo hunu e kele wi alo no chele kele wi aga o bi a she ko e han bi o fuon manya ma ye je ni
ya owe mo mi wona ke okadiko ejepo leji ni lo chon mi ake be wote komo ke wo gakusu mi e ba ya lo duba
lele okade nu wona le wo susumoji wote komo ke wo gama kusu mi e ba la jogba na fi na enwe jo mo papako ba hwe ganke gana mamu fe no now mi to ma wi no ko fi on dani mamu na ya ba na gashi ba ka kusunji chishiji ba ka ngme na ta abashi shi na abanko ni to tema ta fra che fi o amenwa ameke o ka ni bi te chumi ncho no hani men yase ata abashi shi na abano ni yo klada o fe wole shi mene ma jele ko fi bia mi ni cha memba shi na memba shi fra me ka shi pon wi mo so fo poko so fo ensole nyana na me sole ami asipon podo aga sipo ka jidi bonu wonye no ne bia ni chamete na me mbanshi ami church pon na mgelo aga me tole ta frache bonu ka she ka shina ga no ya o mo enwe no cha ka ma ba wo sipo na ma kwe o sipo ne yo ne ya tu agala yo o so fo na me nyo me fi ona ka amenya me fi na kusun chame wo no fi o ni sipo ndo ya o nto amanya ba ni
ni me pa no ni
ya basi
no okay wo ni fe mo fo ba na nye ne no ya international me e bi ele
most working for Agbasan
okay wo Agbasan
be ne yo le pe ja ke ye dromo na ye ba kwa wo ise fe fo mo ajo to fele le ja fita ya nyewa ke shi do oni da fi nye ko wo se no fi no fe ke che fi le su mu na ke ju o na ke shi como uno hecho se yo so bruto so agre gamin fe ame kuzu energy now. I can let her put to school. I put to school. She will lunch it. Take me to she has gone. I go we be a yen. Kono fiana for Jalem. No than two they fear what you me may call and no congo. She pamo yemo. Ni wole. No banina what they make on a trusty war. No, you know what's a 1 year. Ejage, Inchekwenji, the old divine healers, Niji brother loss. You can never wish you and then be coneo. Yes, yes, sumo, because Chosemo, Nelly, you are Bena. You can never wash your name without Keti Kusuna. I can Malay, Soselo, I call Sofo. Ni Ebe, she a Ghana thing, no child of Blalosi. So Monday cheer watch divine healers. Ona enaka jeshiane. Dane ba nana ke mumo ko ba jeshiane no me blofo me ba che so mu na chole freema. A chika je buku. Ateni waje mo ye so mu chu ye nshona. Ni mumo kole. No ni mumo kole. E ka ba che so ake divine healers. Wona chosemo emiba wona chosemo ye DNA ye divine healers wo gbeke bi mene de wa nyimo ka wa she nu wo she wona chosemo ye ye male chosemo mene ko okwa wote wona reverend lamti eje divine healers ni yue ni konye twale nye bila aka ni no ni yo ani mi Peter alo mi yu anu kwale bona no kedi nye no tumo konku nke ne mfuna yue mo le pi enkotoku ma fene ma hwe nyanyi no nya acho no tumo kwa twa no manya fe
eu ba Mers
Milu.
Yo beto bole ba wake kusumi efe eba na gbeta wa beni genye beni ni na ya be ake ko na ha embe wonte le na ni no ni wona ke ko wa shi pon yo mo ja ke esane shi pon anya ye ni wo nke ni fe mo fe wa na ke no we don gba ji ni abeli ke jo taw James Town yo support alo no ko e wa nyo ko na ma ni o twa wo no tumo no tu me bia no tumo je mo ko no tumo o ba nyo o wa support one way or the other. We need the support so that we can rise to the top. Ube gini abe ni gansajin you know ni yo ke de gansajin se de koko me fe yense ni ma jo mo fe mo ko ni e ko me live James Town yo ke je no we do nkenye eye share